Welcome back, guys, to the channel. It's been a while, but yeah, just been busy. Today, we're gonna take the paint off of this thing. We're gonna take the front fender, rear fender, and fuel tank off of this thing. That's what I got planned so far. We'll see if I stop there or if I keep going, but so far that's what I got planned. All right, let's get into it. Gotta clamp the crossover line because we gotta take this off. And if I don't clamp this side, it's just gonna be a water faucet full of fuel leaking all over the place. That one's got a clamp on it, so let me take that clamp off real quick. Kind of works. Anyways, let me just take this off. It works a lot better if you take the bolt out. And we're off. Set that right there so it has no chance to leak. Alright, next, take this front fender off. And fender's off. Wow. Huge wasp home in there. All right. Let's just unplug all of this so we can get it out of our way. Now it's gone. All right. Next is this. We got the rear fender. And also, you take these chrome covers off of the frame. Probably won't be going back on. Right. Well, let's see. Might as well take the pins off of the front of this thing since we're already this far. Go ahead and unbolt this headlamp and take this out of our way too. go. Get that unplugged. Next, we got to take these little plates off. That's all torn down. And everything looks okay. Let's loosen these guys up. It's a lot easier to do when it's still on the bike. And then let's just go ahead and take all of this off. Now we're here. Housing is stripped out. Somebody over tightened this. It happens. But we're not going to use this stuff anyways. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this whole assembly off. take these wires out of the connector housing, or we'll never get them out of here. There we go. These bolts I gotta save so that I can put the handlebars back on. So I don't like this chrome cap. I'm just gonna pry it off because it probably won't come off the regular way anyway. There we go. All right. Now we're all set to disassemble the front end, but I think that's it for today. That's a good portion of the video, just taking it apart. I gotta take pictures of that stuff and put it on eBay so I can buy more parts. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't talk so much, but I don't usually talk too much when I'm trying to get something done very fast. I'm gonna work on that, but maybe I'll do some voiceovers on this video for you guys. Alright, see you guys next time.